you doing? Oh, shit. That's 3 so far. Hold him up.
What?
Yeah, probably over the bucket or something. Oh, hey, Casper! Look at that! Harlequin, your dad's favourite. Holy shit, look at the beautiful fish.
Happy New Year.
That's it, mate.
Hey, they're nice. What's wrong with those ones?
Stinky ones.
Oh, yes! Look at that.
Well done. Good on you, mate.
Micro hooks, look at that. What a way to finish today. Morning, boys. What have we got here? What have we got here, Casper?
Ready.
Oh, what are you doing? Oh, shit. Stop, stop. Oh, what are you guys doing? You look like it's an amateur show. What's going on?
You're talking about amateur.
Covered in shit. Oh,
You said leave the deck wash on.
yep, leave it on. Good morning, Leo.
Hey, Mickey.
Start of the action. There you go, Raymond. Raymond's give it the okay, it's just a little dog, but he's alright. Nice. That's 3 so far.
Nice, yeah.
Oh, look at that, Raymond, eh? Lucky wore your Sunday best, eh?
Thank you.
Alright, Casper, back onto it. Alright. Raymond, I'm so proud of you. You know what they say, don't you? You've just got to start somewhere. What is that? I never. Oh.
What is this?
That's what you call punch it above your weight, little squid. Oh, shit. You've done it again. Not by much. Oh my God, those little things. Good bait though. Good bait. All right, we've got a few more since then.
Here we go.
Well, a few more.
End the pump.
Going to the netting for your dad. You actually got one, Leo. What'd you do? Loosen the drag, make it sound bigger?
Oh, yeah, that's
Yeah,
right.
I think so. Oh, he's right here. Oh, nice. He's actually not a bad size, you know. There he is in the water. Don't force face it at me though, but okay. Look at that, he's a nice size one, look. Leo,
Hey.
use my old faithful and
That's how you do it.
alright.
Thanks for showing me.
Even though I've only got him in the tail.
Alright. Well, he actually did something for a change. Take it down to the boat. How big is it? Oh my God. It's huge.
Straight up.
Hey, that is a big one. That is a big one, Leo.
Kill it before it comes in.
Look at that. Unbelievable. See? Your dad knows how to do it.
Good size, look at that.
Hold him up. Hold him up.
What?
Yeah,
That's
probably over the bucket or something, yeah. Look at that, eh? That's nice, eh?
Nice
Hey, you got another one. You got another one. You're on again. You're on again. No, he just hanged it off the edge of the boat. What?
You too.
Am I on?
And me.
Oh, I'm not on. Oh, we got another load. Oh, righty.
Yeah, you do actually.
There's action happening everywhere. What did I have one too? And you got one as well. Oh, righty. I'm the only one. Oh my God. Where's it? You got it? We're gonna need it over here. Quick. I need the net over here. Go, Casper, go. No, don't take the roof. Just need the net. Come on, Casper. In there, mate. Look at that. Oh, action everywhere. Raymond. Hey? I should call you Mr. McCain. You've done it again. Oh, this is like hot squid session, boy. This is good. Nice. I'm not catching anything, but...
Good size, right?
Oh, you on again? Can't be. Surely not. All right.
Just sounded.
Alrighty.
Well done, Ray.
Good squid
Nice
session.
size.
See what happens next. That was hot. Hot squid session. That was good. Well, we tried a few spots over there. Now we're going to go and reset some other spots. See what's over here, and then we might go for some, I don't know, whiting, snapper, something like that. See what we can get. What do you reckon, boys?
Very good.
What you got? Pen and Oscar rig. There we go. Yellow and white, Raymond's favourite. We go over here. So we're gonna get the dogs. Oh, hey, Casper! Look at that! Harlequin, your dad's favourite.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, I see we're gonna get one today. Look at that little dog.
Good size.
Isn't that beautiful? Turn it around, look at the spots on it. Holy shit, look at the beautiful fish.
Nice colour.
You said you wanted to catch one. Hey? Hey? Well done. Happy?
Yeah.
Good. You happy?
Oh, Harley coin.
Harley coin. And whiting hook. And just got it. Now that's the shit you're talking about. I love seeing shit like that. Beautiful. I think you got a whiting there, Casper. What do you reckon you got? What do you reckon you got, Casper?
Probably a whiting.
How's this for... Nice whiting, eh?
Very nice whiting.
Look this way, look at the size of it.
There's a big whiting. Whoa, I told you got a whiting.
Whoa.
Get that in there.
Too good.
A little one turned up. Hey, Raymond. Nice.
Oh, look at it. Stealth man.
Beautiful. Well done, Casper. Well done, mate.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Yes. You got Leo.
Gotta be a KG.
You reckon?
Kidney slapper.
You can't be that lucky. Surely not. Surely not.
Oh, no.
Oh no! Don't tell me you lost at the top.
Oh,
You know what that means, don't you?
oh.
That's it. You wait 5 minutes. We won't have any fish yet. You ready? That's it. Casper, showing your dad how to do it.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah. I don't know about that one. No, let me have a look at him. Oh yeah, no, that's a whiting. Yeah, that's a whiting. That's a whiting, mate. Hey, you know a whiting? Yeah.
Oh, I thought I'll let it go so you can catch it.
That's it. Nice and steady, mate. See? Nice and steady. Hopefully it's a whiting. Oh, that was really nice of you. I just heard what you said. Yeah, that's nice.
Doesn't look like a whiting.
No, it doesn't. Oh, I don't know. Oh no, it's a bait. That's what it is. Good bait.
Oh, yeah. Fresh.
No whiting. Well, that lens is clear. You're taping yourself, you idiot.
That's a Jewy.
Let me have a look. I'll have a look.
That's a Jewy.
Keep going, mate. Keep going.
Slow down.
Keep going.
Exactly right. That's perfect, mate.
He's going in a hole.
No.
Yeah, because it keeps pulling out. Every time he goes down, he winds up. Every time he comes up. Is it still pulling? Don't hold the line like that, Casper, otherwise you rip it out of its mouth or whatever.
Is he on the bottom, you think? No, he's not. No. Wear him out.
Keep going. Pull him up. Pull him up. That's a fish.
Yeah. That's a Jewy.
What do you reckon it is?
Or a pinky.
Jewy or pinky, eh?
There you go. I think he's just come out of the rock.
There you go. Whoa!
That's it. Now pump
Come
him.
on, Casper. Pump and wine, buddy.
Pump him on once he's like
Nice
that.
and slowly. Yep.
The net.
Got the net there.
Oh my.
I don't think we're going to be needing that for
Casper,
a
how you
while.
going, mate? Casper. Oh, it's making you yodel.
That's it. It's whatever you can get.
What do you reckon about my secret spot? Casper?
Yeah, good. In the net. First drop, 5 seconds.
You
Bang.
get the net? Quick, net.
There you go.
It's like he's a long way down yet. There's no colour.
No. Oh, colour. It's like a browny grey. It's a groper. It's a big. It's not a.
It's a groper. It's a groper.
Oh my.
Well done, mate.
They gave you a bit of curry.
On your whiting rig, mate. There you go.
Oh, that's what we're doing today, guys.
Well done.
Just something different.
They gave you a little bit of curry.
Happy New Year.
No kidding.
Hey, Raymond. Happy
That
New
made
Year.
me work. Happy New Year.
That's it. Happy New Year, Casper.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
That's it, mate. Mike, Casper, you've got the bottom, yeah? Have you got a bottom or you got a fish?
I actually don't know.
You don't know? Okay. Well, we'll let that one go. Raimondo,
Yeah.
There you go.
how's it going, mate?
Here we go, look.
Yep.
Yeah, more
Another pike.
More pike.
A whole school of pike. Hey, they're nice. What's wrong with those ones?
Stinky ones.
No, they're beautiful, mate. I don't know. Oh, that's the big one. It's a big one.
What do you reckon it is, Uncle Michael?
I don't know, mate. Huh? Good for a fight.
Just don't drop it, whatever you do.
Well, I don't really want to, do I? But you know what they say, don't you? Only the big ones get away. And micro hooks, I don't know. See how good these hooks are.
No colour just yet. Oh, damn.
Turning it. Here it is. What is that? Oh, yes! Look at that.
Well done. Good on you, mate.
Micro hooks. Look at that. What a way to finish the day. Woo! Love it. Love it. Till the next one. Alright guys, we're gonna take two. we're heading back in. We had a relatively good day today. Time to go home, do the thing. But anyway, I'd like to say thanks very much for watching, guys. Thanks for subscribing. Leave a message if you want. Give us a thumbs up. But until then, it's goodbye for me, and see you later, Raymond.
Goodbye.
See you, mate.
Yeah.
You have a good day or what?
Yeah.
Good.
Oh, good fish.
See you later, guys.
Alright, till then, stay safe.